Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tech reviews. Exploring Headout, a comprehensive review of the booking platform. In this video, we're diving deep into Headout, a leading platform for booking last-minute travel experiences, attractions, and activities around the globe. Find links to the platform in the description below. Headout caters specifically to travelers seeking instant access to premium experiences without the burden of extensive pre-planning. Whether your travel desires lean towards skip-the-line access to renowned attractions, immersive guided tours, captivating theater performances, or unique city experiences, Headout offers a streamlined and efficient booking process, ensuring you enjoy these activities at the most competitive prices. Its focus on last-minute availability makes it the perfect companion for spontaneous travelers who value flexibility without sacrificing the quality of their experiences. A key strength of Headout lies in its mobile-first design. The platform empowers users to secure tickets within minutes, with most vouchers delivered instantly to the app, eliminating the need for printed tickets. This streamlined approach simplifies the booking process, proving especially valuable for travelers constantly on the move. The interface is clean, intuitive, and provides comprehensive details, including highlights, inclusions, and real-time availability updates. Headout's reach extends to major cities worldwide, encompassing destinations across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East. Some of its most attractive offers include entry to iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Burj Khalifa, and the Colosseum, along with discounted tickets to Broadway and West End theater productions. The platform collaborates with trusted local operators, guaranteeing a high-quality experience through verified providers. Furthermore, Headout's dynamic pricing system provides users access to exclusive discounts and flash sales on select experiences. Adding to its value proposition, Headout offers a best price guarantee. If you find the same ticket at a lower price elsewhere, they will match it. For frequent travelers, the platform also features loyalty rewards and occasional cashback promotions, enhancing its cost-effectiveness. Customer support is another area where Headout excels, providing 24/7 assistance via chat or email to address any concerns. Many bookings also come with flexible cancellation policies, allowing travelers to adapt their plans as needed. In conclusion, Headout presents an exceptional option for travelers seeking instant access to enriching experiences at competitive prices without the constraints of rigid planning. It's fast, user-friendly, and brimming with excellent deals. If you're seeking convenient last-minute bookings for your upcoming trip, explore the links in the description to discover the world of Headout.